Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to change the notification sound for Google Messages on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, S26, or any device running the latest One UI. Let's get started. First, open Settings on your phone. Scroll down and tap on Notifications. Now, tap on Advanced Settings. Here, you'll find an option called Manage Notification Categories for each app. Make sure this option is turned on. This step is very important. Without enabling it, you won't be able to customize notification sounds for individual apps like Google Messages, WhatsApp, or Instagram. Once that's enabled, go back and open the Google Messages app. Tap on your profile icon at the top right, then go to Messages settings. Next, tap on Notifications. Here, you'll see notification categories. If you don't see this option, double-check that you enabled it earlier in Advanced Settings. Now tap on Incoming Messages. From here, tap on Sound, and you can choose any notification tone you like. You can even set a custom sound if you prefer. And that's it. Your Google Messages notification sound is now changed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips like this.